How to do an SEO audit with Moz. Choose a website. So after you've pasted the website, notice these 4 things right here. So first we have domain authority. What domain authority is it how you rank according to search engines, specifically Google, but all search engines. Next is linking root domains. What that is internal backlinks within your website. Next is ranking keywords. Remember how we went over with Ahref? Well, Ahrefs is how you would define what your ranking keywords are according to Google. And finally, we have a spam score of 13%. So that's something we definitely want to work on, because if a spam score is that high, people will most likely have bounce rate if they come to the site. Before diving deeper into page authority, I just want to quickly touch on what bounce rate is. It's basically when someone goes on your site from an ad or from a blog and they immediately click off without doing any action. So let's look at what the top pages are according to page authority. So 25, 24s. Let's click on one of them. Then here's the page. So it's called Stop Smoking. So it's a blog. So what I would want to do then is rank for, maybe the keyword would be stop smoking. Then you want to enter in your meta description like we did yesterday, stop smoking, and then making your ranking keyword stop smoking. So those are the page authority. And this is their discovery statistics of, the last 2 months of last year. And here's their number 1 keywords. So like I said earlier, I would do stop smoking or quit smoking. They do have something similar to that. I would really play on those keywords. Their number 1 keyword, though, is acupuncture wellness center coral springs. Then finally, as you can see here, thorlaser.com is one of their competitors. So I would try to have a backlink that would help to build credibility with Thor Laser or with laser therapy products. And overall, I'd be building external backlinks to help with the overall site. And that is how you would use Moz for an SEO audit, and just some small tidbits that I would do if I was working with this company. So make sure to subscribe for more.